Previously on Seals on the Move. Last episode, we toured the gift shops at the Georgia Aquarium, checked out the Christmas decor outside the World of Coca-Cola, sought out a subterranean ping pong table in downtown Atlanta, and tried Cinnaholic. Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals, and Rozie Seals is along for the ride. In this episode, we take our first steps inside of an IKEA. There is so much hype about this place that I had to check it out. For those who don't know, IKEA is a Swedish home store that has taken the US by storm. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. So here's confession time. I've never been to an IKEA. I don't know what the hype is all about, but we're here at the IKEA in Atlanta, and we're gonna check it out. Appropriate since we went to the aquarium. Here we're in the showroom area. Here's the kitchen. You can kind of see the appeal of IKEA now that we're here. Like basically a studio apartment set up in here. That is pretty neat. Oh, this one's a cool one.
Really neat.
Here's some unique. Down this, I think you press it. Ooh, there you go. Hey, look, DVDs. Rozie styling and profiling out here. The IKEA apartments. This is more like a downtown type apartment, because you even got, well, there's Atlanta off in the distance. Rozie's coming through the secret tunnel.
Cool.
Secret tunnel.
Yay.
Got some Swedish Star Wars here. I guess that's Clone Wars? Attack of the Clones? So Rozie had a stuffed panda when she lived in Africa, but it got left behind. She doesn't know where it went. She's gonna get this one, and its name is Jungelskog. I don't know. I don't speak Swedish, but yeah, she's gonna get it. It's only $3.99.
And it's fluffy too. The one I had in Africa wasn't so fluffy.
That's a neat kitchen. I like this kitchen. And it's got a little like, goes to the laundry room into another kitchen. That's a house that really likes to eat food.
Is that a laundry room?
Yeah, and it leads to another kitchen, look.
But it's neat.
I'm gonna try some of these coffee beans. They're cheaper than going to Aldi. Big fan of the wood walls in this fake kitchen. I doubt this goes anywhere. Let's see. Nope. All locked. What are you looking at? Rhubarb drink concentrate. It's gonna be one caffeinated panda. The IKEA Theater. That's cool. Lamps.
Looks like something like futuristic.
So they have a projection pointing the way to the flat carts. That's neat. Get an IKEA umbrella. So this way you can take your cart down. It's a cart escalator. That is neat. Like the infamous IKEA restaurant. We have our IKEA tray. We're gonna try the food for the first time. This is awesome. They don't just have ketchup, they have ranch and honey mustard in here. So my first time at IKEA, I think it's really cool. I see where all the hype comes from. Just the way they have the upstairs set up, the food we're getting ready to try, which people love the Swedish meatballs, but not a meatball fan if you ask me. Not a Swedish meatball fan at least, but a really neat place. Definitely, Roseanne was expecting just like Ashley furniture type place, but I mean, people wouldn't hype about a place like that, and I can understand why this place is hyped about. So thanks for joining us today. And I said that, but we gotta try the food. So let's try it. We got chicken fingers. They seem like they're pretty good. Very good chicken tenders. These are some chubby air fries. Those can be good. Has some good flavor. They also give us root vegetables, which is very interesting for a chicken finger meal. And then we got the wraps. Let's unwrap the wrap and try it. It's got chicken, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, lettuce, provolone cheese, and one more ingredient, but
Olives.
I did mention the olives, but onions. There you go. Definitely tastes very fresh. Definitely like it. The olive taste does come out quite a bit, and I'm not a huge olive fan, but still pretty good. Definitely recommend. The trays even have their own baskets, which is cool. This is super cool. It says escalators need stairs. You can't do it? Bye, honey. This is so cool. Thanks for joining us today on Seals on the Move. Let us know down in the comments your IKEA memories. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video, share it with other IKEA fans, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified of any future videos.